Okay, what's going on, people? It's me, Marlon Bennett, guys. I'm back for another second splash YouTube video review, guys. Um, I'm calling it my official second splash .com video review, and the reason why is because I like this software. I love what I'm seeing inside of secondsplash.com. Excuse me. And at the time of this video, guys, we're probably about I don't know, 8 or 9 days from the official launch of secondsplash.com. But I really want you guys to see something. I shot an email out last night, and I got a couple of inquiries about it, and they were immediate, and they were pretty definitive. And the reason why is because when people see this software, when people start to understand the program and how secondsplash.com works, I think it's going to get you excited. Now, guys, when we go out and we purchase software, um, or we join, or we buy different products or services to enhance our business, a lot of times it's not because we can't do a particular thing, right? When it comes to like a certain software or product or even a service, it's just that we don't want to do it, right? We pay for convenience, right? We pay for being able to streamline our business. Um, when you go out and you buy coffee from Starbucks or McDonald's like I do, or 7-Eleven, it's not because you can't make a cup of coffee for yourself. It's because you don't want to make a cup of coffee for yourself because of the convenience of being able to go out and get it, right? Remember, guys, we're problem solvers. We present and we make available, right? And if it's convenient, it's going to make something easier for you as an internet marketer or your potential prospects, then you always want to be on the lookout for new creative and innovative ways to market your business, guys. Okay, so I'm going to start going into these videos on secondsplash.com YouTube video reviews, and I'm going to do it piecemeal. And today, though, we're going to go inside the members area, and we're going to talk about what it is exactly, right? But I like to start out with a couple of the pages, right? Because it's some really cool splash pages. And I know that most internet marketers are familiar with splash pages. You know, most people are, guys. We know what they are, and we know what they do, right? So what makes secondsplash.com so different? Why does it stand out, at least in my mind, from a lot of splash page creators, right? Well, because of how Bruce Baxter has actually set this up. And Baxter is actually the creator of Easy Cash for Ads. I know you guys have seen that. You know, I see it all over the place. People promote it big time all the time. And he's sort of ingenious the way that he does things, Bruce Baxter. And so when I saw this, I was intrigued for many reasons. But uh, the level of creativity, which I talk about a lot, is here, right? So, and I think my all-time favorites coming up, and I just love these pages, right? I love these splash pages. Now, inside of secondsplash.com, you don't only have splash pages, like you're capable of creating capture pages inside too. Now, typically, when a person uses a splash page, right, the reason why we use splash pages, guys, is to sort of get the attention of the person, to kind of get them super hyped and super excited, right, before they even enter into our lead capture page, before we even take them over to our presentation, our particular product or service or biz op or MLM or whatever the case may be, right? You you know, everybody's marketing everything, guys, and we see things all day long, right? I'm on the computer, right, and I got the Facebook Messenger popping up. I'm trying to multitask and set up certain, and so all the time we are inundated with information, right? All the time, and so it's smart when you can do things that's going to make your marketing, right? It's going to simplify the process for what it is you do on a daily basis or a regular basis, right? And so when you start talking about splash pages, guys, right? And I read this somewhere, and I think they talk about it in the presentation, right? A compelling splash page, right, is 5 times more likely to get clicks and visitor interaction than a conventional web page. Would you guys agree? A compelling splash page is 5 times more likely to get clicks and visitors interaction than a conventional web page or a stagnant website or something like that. Would you guys agree, right? And an enticing background, right, image, it could actually quadruple or double those the kind of interaction you get, right? Because we want people clicking, right? But because we are so inundated with things all the time, we have to find a way to get above the fold, right? We have to find a way to stand out even more, right? And so we talk about the level of creativity, then you have it. And so it's just, in my mind, it's a great tool, resource, technique, strategy, product, service, actually money making opportunity rolled in here too, that you can use to go out and do that. Now, I was in a few of the pages, guys, and so a traditional splash page, you click it, naturally it redirects to wherever you want it to redirect to, and you can see it's a lot of beautiful interaction just in terms of the color, right? The color, things that pop out at you, you know what I mean? Something that's a little bit different than most people may be used to seeing, and so that is one of the reasons I'm so excited here over at secondsplash.com. I can create my own splash pages, guys. I do it all the time, and I've done splash pages for other people. But this, to me, is yeah, I would pay for this because it's better than anything I've ever done. It's simple, it's easy, it's convenient, right? And so what you'll find whenever you're looking at a new product, or should I say a service, or something to enhance your business that actually leads to a capture page, then you want to deploy, right, it if it's going to simplify business, right? If it's going to make business simpler and easier. And if we want to get it ahead, you know, in terms of getting above or in front of our competition, right, then we have to continue to look for creative, new, innovative ways to do it. Now, in this particular instance, this is one of my favorites, of course. This is actually one of the capture pages that you guys actually have instant access to, by the way. And when you click it, it actually brings our prospects right into our actual system, guys. I'm going to go on and put my name. I think I did this the other day. You guys saw an actual demo, and I'm going to hit submit. And so you start to get that interaction. I mean, not only have you caught your potential prospects' attention with some blazing images and color, but now you bring them into the actual funnel system. You bring them into your lead capture page via a splash page, and now this is where the magic happens, okay? And if you look right here, I know I did this on the last video, guys. I'm going to enlarge the screen just a little bit. The software is personalizing it all every step of the way, and it will continue to personalize because that person just came through that page, and now they're cooking inside of your page, and you're personalizing your message as you're going out promoting this or anything else that you want to. Now, there are some upgrades built within the system. I think it's 3 upgrades. We're not going to cover that tonight. I think the very first upgrade coming in is I want to say $23, which is probably where I'll be. And it may be where I'll stay. I'm not sure. It just depends on everything that's available once, you know, I see. I'm still going through the actual members area. But I can tell you that it says here actually get everything you'll ever need, right? uh 30 super affiliate bundle. Wow, I don't even know what that is. I haven't even seen that yet, right? So anyway, guys, let's log into the actual membership area, right? I'm gonna go ahead on and log into my membership. Oh, I'm already logged in actually. And I want to talk about everything that's available to you, right? Everything that's available to you inside of Second Splash, uh, secondsplash.com. Now, I'm not going to tell you everything because I'm not going to. The video's not going to be this long. But as I do these secondsplash.com reviews, you'll see, and actually, there'll be a link in the YouTube video description there, and for you guys on my list, right? You right under this, there'll be a link, and you can actually come in and see for yourself what's going on. But today, guys, we're going to talk about how it works. So I know I had that up a few minutes ago, and how all this works. We're going to go right to that tab and let's talk about it because I want you guys to uh, get a better understanding of what's going on right inside. So where is it? I think I was definitely on the page earlier and I wanted to see it. They got some real cool banners of how it all works. When I went to how it all works before, where did I go? They got a referral system. It may be uh it may be the referral system that I want to see, and it's not, and it wouldn't be really. Okay, guys, let me see, can I get back inside? Because I didn't mean to do that. But I know oh, maybe my session expired. I hope that it didn't. But anyway, let's see. Let's see if it wasn't. There's so much to see, and I'm really trying to take my time as I go through. There's the splash pages. There's the referral system. There's the commissions explained. Okay, so obviously I got to log in again, guys. I guess I actually timed myself out. Okay, so there it goes right there. So they talk about the commission structure there if you want to come here and look at the commission structure. But that's not where I wanted to be. I actually wanted to be how it all works, and I believe it was the referral system. I believe. Okay, so you got a two-up referral system. That you guys, I implore you guys to read this too, but that's not where I want to be either. We're gonna give it another shot one more time, and if not, we'll start here and we'll work our way over to it, and we'll get there, guys. Okay, so I think it may be splash pages, guys. It may be splash pages. Oh no, it's not splash pages. But since I am in splash pages, guys, there's a lot of great information inside of secondsplash.com. And one of the things I like is when you doing a particular thing, right? And I know I used to do this. I did it with no end goal, you know what I mean, in sight. Like I was doing things, but I didn't even know why I was doing them, right? And so when you know why you're doing what you're doing, number one, is going to lend to you're going to probably be a lot more productive, right? If you focus, right, and you know why you're doing what you're doing. So after a while, it's not even work anymore. It's actually like you're an architect, right, and you're building something on your own, all from scratch, right? It's a beautiful thing. So um, I don't see. I do not see the page I wanted, and I had it up, and it was a very important page, and I really wanted to go through it. Uh, but I cannot find it, and I don't want to waste a lot of your guys' time. So let's see if it's over here. You get enter VIP lounge. Let's see what's inside the VIP lounge. And a little inside, see your testimony. I did a testimonial today. I actually submitted it, and maybe it's going to show up on one of the pages, right? They get banner, they get blog post, they get capture page, you got email swipes, a lot of cool stuff, right? Your affiliate links, but I cannot find where it is I wanted to go. So let's start at the top, guys. Let's add a new splash campaign. Let's just start there and I'll work my way down. I'm going to do quite a few videos on this. So you want to create a splash page, right? And so you'll have an interface, of course, that looks like this. Now, what you'll also have, guys, are any number of images. I can't remember how many it is, right? But you got categories, that you can actually click for the particular image you're looking for just to get a ballpark, for what it is you're doing and what you want to create a splash page for. So I'm just going to pick one. And the only thing I really don't like, the lighting inside of here is really, since it's close to Christmas, guys, let's go to Christmas. And so when you click that image, you're going to get a pop-up, and you're going to get a variation, or something to choose from. A lot of different images that you can actually choose from to get started. You can preview it by going here, and you can see the image a little bit bigger right there, right? And then, guys, you can always just pull it up and you can use that image, right? And if I click there, then I'll be able to go in, and then I will actually be able to start using this image, right? Or whatever image that I chose. And you can also change the text up here, guys, right? Very cool, right? Because they have different fonts. And I know I would see, if you look right here, you'll see the font style. You'll be able to go in. Consider this Canva on steroids. How about that? Because you can just drag and drop everything that you want. And if you see, guys, let's go to the top right here where it is. It's like over to the right. But if you came down here and slid it over to the left, it should change, right? It did yesterday when I did it. Okay, so that, I think it moved just now. Let's see where we are. So I took it all the way off the page that time. So you can see where you just have that. It should be, now it's coming back. Okay, where you're able to do this kind of thing, right? And then you can change the text up here. Lots of great features inside. For my creators, you guys are going to absolutely love this, right? So that's how you would start. That's how you would get started with the process. And there are also video tutorials up here, guys, right? Right where it says tutorial, they walk you through the process of getting started with the splash page creation, right? And that, just that in and of itself, right? So I went with how it all works, and it got splash pages. I didn't want to be there. Let's talk about the referral system really quick since we're already in here. Okay. Now, one of the other things I talked about like it so much is, guys, I'm an affiliate traffic broker, right? And all I really love to talk about and learn new, creative, and innovative ways of doing is getting more traffic, right? That's I live for it, right? Well, I live for other things, but I live for this in the market. But the point is this: when you start talking about getting more exposure and then generating traffic and leads for your business, then this 2-up referral system, right, this is what you're gonna fall in love with. And it actually says that. I didn't see that because of my God going, but it's true. And here's the reason why. Number two, well, a few reasons. One, um, so the tool referral system, well, I'll let you guys see the video. Just understand that it's a great way to perpetuate not only your exposure, right, quadruple it, but the amount of exposure that will translate into more traffic, more leads, and guys, they have an affiliate commission tied into here that follows that same 2-up referral system, right? So my goal, I'm coming into the 23, I think it's $23 a month, right? And I think they got 2 other packages. I'm not going to pull them up right now, but I know that they do. And I know that based on the level of your membership, then it just unlocks more features inside of the software and the system itself. But money wise, guys, you can earn commissions all up and down and throughout here up with that 2-up referral system through not just the exposure, through the traffic, but also through the actual exponential growth of your business, because the 2-up referral system, guys, your actual splash page is being generated by that through other people as well. And you'll get to see that as you go through the video. But the money component works the same way where that 2-up referral is concerned. And so that's what makes it super sweet, right? Now, Easy Cash for Ads was very similar to this, the model itself, and actually the model itself was identical to this. But this is different and it's better because now you actually have, and you have some cool stuff inside of Easy Cash for Ads, but now you really have some tools and resources that you really can use to go out and make some things happen in your business, right? You really can start really automating even more. You can get a lot more creative inside of here, guys. So that's all I'm going to go through tonight, guys, just to get you guys, going, get you guys' minds percolating, right? Getting you thinking like owners, right? Because is advertising. That's what it's all about, right? We are our businesses, guys. And when we become products of the products, hey guys, we get to write our own ticket, okay? So anyway, I'm gonna get out of here. I think I've covered enough in this video. Really super pumped and super excited about secondsplash.com. You guys know how I feel about it. And I'm really, oh, wait a minute, guys. This is the page I wanted to be on. Wow. 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 Okay, guys. We just talked about traffic, but that's the end of the video. I gotta go. My wife just bought me a pepperoni pizza and a large Coke, guys. I gotta route. But look, watch for the next video, guys, for Unstoppable Traffic. Watch for the next YouTube video review. And guys, the link will be in the YouTube video description if you guys want to go down and pick that up. And I'll see you guys on the next video.